Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days. It's Tutorial Tuesday, and today we're going to make these chocolate bunny candy pouches out of paper bags. It's a super quick and easy no-sew project for Easter. For this project, you will need paper bags. I'm using a paper bag from my local grocery store. I've cut them into 9-inch by 12-inch pieces. Some hot glue, a 15-inch ribbon for each bunny, and the template downloaded from debsdays.com. You can also find a written version of this supply list, the measurements, and the template on Deb's Days. I've added a direct link in the description right below this video. Deb's Days is also where you can find more free patterns, supply lists, and links to even more sewing and crafting videos. First, place 2 pieces of paper bag together. My paper bag has a store's printing on one side, so I made sure the printing was on the inside of the stack. Place the template right on top of the bags. Holding onto the stack tight, cut out the template and paper bags at the same time. Your other option is to take a smaller piece of paper bag and fold it in half, again with the printing on the inside, and place one of the templates on top of it and cut it out. I do it this way when I'm using up pieces of paper bags and not full paper bags. Either way, you'll have 2 paper bag chocolate bunnies that were cut out at the same time, so the edges should match up better than if you'd cut them out individually. Grab your hot glue. We're going to place our hot glue all around the edges of the bunny to secure the pieces together. Leave a spot where you don't put glue so that you can add the candies. Stuff the chocolate bunny as full as you'd like, but not so full that you can't close it. When you have the candies in, go ahead and use the glue to close the bunny up. Since I used the grocery store bag with the printing on it and my cutting and gluing wasn't exactly perfect, I have to do a little trimming off the side. Do the same if you need to. Now it's time for the bow. Center the ribbon in the middle of the neck of the bunny. And then tie your bow and add a drop of glue to hold it in place. Depending on how big your bow is, you may want to cut off a bit of the ends like I did, or you can leave it. And now you have a no-sew chocolate bunny candy pouch for Easter. Now that's a mouthful. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, share, and leave me a comment. If you'd like to see more craft projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also stop by the blog at debsdays.com. You'll find free patterns, supply lists, and links to even more sewing and crafting videos. See you next week with another project.